Do you know what's more embarrassing than a typo in your subject line? Sending a CTA button with no link to 50,000 people. Now, most email mistakes aren't made in the writing or the designing. They're made in the final 2% of making an email, the part no one wants to double check. That's where missing links sneak in, alt text goes MIA, and your HTML email weight gets seriously bloated. Now, Smart Check is Beefree's way of saying, hey friend, let's not send an oops email today. It catches common mistakes before your audience does. In this video, I'll walk you through what Smart Check actually is and why it's smarter than a checklist, how it works, when to use it, and a few considerations to keep in mind when using this feature. First, what is Smart Check? You can think of it like spell check, but for email functionality. Smart Check is a built-in QA tool that scans your email or landing page for common issues and tells you exactly where to fix them. It's not about how your design looks, it's about checking for things that impact performance and accessibility, catching what's missing and what's slowing things down. Here's what it looks for. Missing alt text, which is bad for accessibility. Missing links, which can be really bad for conversions. Empty subject and pre-header, which is bad for first impressions. And then finally, image weight and HTML weight, which is bad for performance and deliverability. It's the kind of stuff that slips past a design review, but shows up in how your audience experiences your content. Now, using Smart Check is incredibly easy. When your email looks good, head to the top of the navigation bar in the builder and click the Smart Check icon. What happens next is truly magical. Smart Check will automatically run a scan of your email or landing page, providing you with a list of both warnings and suggestions, as well as a list of checks that passed. Now, a warning is a critical change that needs to be addressed and resolved prior to exporting your email or page. For example, adding alt text for accessibility, or adding a missing link to an interactive element. A suggestion is a non-critical change that should be addressed and resolved prior to exporting your email or page, because it will result in a better experience with the content. And of course, passed means Smart Check is happy with the following elements. Let's head back to the warning section. If we click on any item here, it takes you straight to the issue. No manual scrolling required. Now all you need to do is edit it or make the change. Then save your design and move on to the next fix. Each one brings you closer to an email that's running smooth, is complete, and is 100% ready to send. Now, when might you run Smart Check? Well, you can run it whenever it's most convenient, but the best time would be just before exporting or sending your designs for approval. In other words, Smart Check lives in the final 5 minutes of your workflow, when your brain is tired and your eyes are like, meh, good enough. Let me give you an example. You're about to send a campaign for an e-commerce product launch that you've been working on for 2 weeks. Your design looks flawless and every element is in its place. The final step? Running Smart Check. Guess what? It finds 2 of your CTAs have no links and the size of one of your images is way too big. So you fix the issues and your conversions thank you. The end. Smart Check is available on certain premium plans, so check out Beefree's pricing page to ensure that your plan has access. Other things to note when using Smart Check are: external reviewers and viewers will see a tooltip saying they can't access the subject and pre-header modal, as they don't have permissions to edit these fields. However, they can leave a comment to notify others if these fields are missing. Smart Check isn't compatible with multilingual design alternatives. And finally, when using synced rows in Smart Check, consider the following. Smart Check refreshes and updates when you edit synced rows and reopen it. Bulk changes like alt text updates won't apply to synced rows unless you edit them directly in the synced row builder. For a more comprehensive list of important considerations when using Smart Check, make sure to check out the support doc, which I've linked in the description. To recap what we learned. Smart Check is your built-in quality assurance tool that catches issues that humans miss. Just trigger it with one click and it shows you what's wrong and where. Now, Smart Check won't replace your gut feeling when you know something is missing, but it will protect your reputation, because nothing says we care about the details like an email that works exactly the way it's supposed to. No broken buttons, no mystery images. Turn it on, run it often, and trust it like your inbox depends on it. Which, spoiler, it kind of does. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you check out Smart Check, and we'll see you in the next one.